In cold early spring, in dawn's grey light, near Crossbarry village there brewed a fight. 'Twas by the bridge we took up our stand, as word went around of the Crown's plans. We'd gather down a West Cork glen, 100 tired and hungry men, our rifles primed, our bodies worn, from raids through nights till early morn. 1,200 foes were closing fast, 6 columns sweeping through the pass. The net drew tight before the dawn, and Tom Barry knew the fight was on. No time for plans or grand parades, a fight for life was all we made. From ditch and hedge the bullets flew, and chaos split the column through. While lorries burned, our trap was set. Their wounded cried, terrified of death. Through hails of fire and dreadful odds, we broke their ring by the grace of God. Through fields of fog and furs we ran, each comrade trust in God's own plan. No banners high, no bugles to hear, we made it out, but death was near. 3 brave men lay dead that day, their souls the price we had to pay. We left them there lying in the glen, prayers unspoken for 3 brave men. When smoke cleared, the fight was done, the rising mist revealed the sun. We'd live to tell what few could say, 100 men had escaped the fray. Many years have passed, the glen's grown still, but echoes still linger on the hill. The 100 men they could not kill live on as legends at Crossbarry still.